Starting off early, we have the Lancaster SVR until 12:30. Good morning, CTV. It's about to turn noon, and we're about to get an SVA.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern
Lancaster County. Oh, shoot. Expect an SVR for Berks County anytime now.
5 to 10 knots. Thunderstorm is located over Lancaster, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Oh, shoot.
Hazard 60 miles.
Expect a Berks County SVR any moment.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Good morning, CTP. I hope you're having a good day. I'm also having a good day.
Impacted include Lancaster, Ephrata, Lewis, Millersville, Williams, East Petersburg, Lima, Salonga, Landisville, and Reevestown. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 286 to 293. Stay inside a well.
To show you guys the SVR, it's right here. So expect an SVR for Berks County in like the next few minutes.
And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
Issued until
12:30 p.m. for the
following counties: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Well, that's the good morning I needed from CTP. SVR! SVR, here we go! Not quite SVA time! Berks, Lehigh, and Montgomery counties! Here we go! Berks, Lehigh, and Montgomery counties in Pennsylvania. There goes WKDN. Here we go! Good afternoon, PHI. Just heard about noon. The GSP failed.
And penny-sized hail. Northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 1:15 p.m. At 12:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 25 miles per hour.
Oh, jeez. That's WKVP. Let me find WWJZ.
In Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh! DSP alert! WXL alert! What?
Here is the regional weather forecast.
What? So this thing took like a minute to relay the entire to the code of the SVA. That's weird.
25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
This thing's gonna keep dying on and off, unfortunately.
The building torrential impact damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Emma, Wyoming, Kutztown, Hamburg. 15 p.m.
Alright,
Compton,
WYPA's finished.
Eastport, Shoemakersville, Valley, Burnville, Beckhamsville, Lyons, and Stroudstown.
WKVP is finished up.
To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Lehigh, and Montgomery. Probably gonna get some FFWs on there, and I know the stations that are gonna go for that. Flash flood warning now for Berks County.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly.
Not gonna be a lot of stations, but it is some.
Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30
Here we go. Gotta wait for WKDN. There they go. The SVI could be issued by now, but we still have to relay the FFW. I don't think anybody else is gonna relay. Maybe WEU. Oh no, the DSP activated. Let's go. This is what I want to see. Flash flood warning, baby. That's what I want to see. That's Reading. So that's WEU. They're not even relaying the alert. That's kind of weird.
Do so safely. Royaldale, Wilberforce, Wintersville, temperature.
Hold on, wait. That's got to be a mistake.
Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National
Why
Weather
102
Service
isn't
when
gonna
you
come
can
in?
Do so safely.
That's the alert. Here we go, another SVR. Another SVR. Where is it? Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, Pennsylvania. I was actually thinking it was going to be for Philadelphia.
Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 2 p.m.
That's until the mesoscale discussion expires.
12 miles northwest of Westchester. Moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Probably could see a Philadelphia SVR soon. Alright, time to get an AM FMs. This will go on WKVP until it dies. Oh, that's also WHK97. But I can't get them right now for some reason. Oh. That's them. There goes WWJZ. Let me turn this on. Haven't used this thing in months, but let me turn this on. In Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery.
Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northeastern Essex County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania. 2 p.m.
Oh shoot, WKDN. They should probably be almost done by now.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rain.
Come on, WKDN. Come on, WKDN. Don't be done. Thank you. Just about got him. WHWH as well.
5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%.
North of Pools Island today, just to start off.
Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Hook, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The river, including Baltimore Harbor. A strong thunderstorm was located near Middle River. Moving northeast at 20 knots. Numerous additional strong thunderstorms will develop and move across the northern Chesapeake Bay this afternoon.
Uh-oh.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Bodkin Point, Hillchester Beach.
Mississippi Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Haverty Grace, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Flash flood warning for Lancaster and York counties. Here they go. Here it goes west. Here goes WNG.
The National Weather Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for Central
Lancaster
Lancaster
County
in
in South Central
Pennsylvania,
Southeastern York County in South Central. Oh! I think this was issued. SVA! Here we go. The SVA's been issued.
thunderstorm watch. Storm watch number 562, effective until 8 p.m.
562, baby.
This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunter, Mercer, Morris, and Voorhees, and Delaware, Canyon, Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland.
And the following counties.
In New Jersey: Burlington, Kansas, Cumberland,
These guys should relay right after.
and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware. Storm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 562, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes counties in
Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties. Here we go. WNG's gonna relay now. There they go. The only reason they're so late is because of the flash flood watch. I'm in flash flood warning, sorry. There we go. Now they issued it.
Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunter, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations:
Oh shoot! Did WXM60 ever relay? Wow, this failed, and this failed too. Both radio. Both of these guys failed. WXM60 and KW35 failed.
Until 8 p.m. for the following counties. Delaware, and Maryland, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Lancaster, Lebanon, and Montgomery, and Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island, Maryland.
Wow.